Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files. When you find it, click on it. It should be in Samsung folder. Now just tap on Downloads category. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Tap on the best source for you, in my case gallery. And select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!